Alright, it's Ike with a quick Blender tip. Have you ever had topology issues that you're just not quite sure how to fix and it's driving you crazy because you've worked on this model for a long time and you just want it to work the way it's supposed to work, okay? So here are two topology issues that I've run into and how you might fix those. So to start out, as you can see, we've got three meshes here. It's actually part of the same mesh, but when we look at this on the screen, you know, they all look the same, right? Well, they're actually different. The thing that triggers the issue with a lot of topology issues is when you throw a subdivision surface on it, because you want to smooth it out. You know, this is your rough shape. So I've got a modifier, a subdivision modifier added to this already. You know, it's set to 5 levels, and it's the same in viewport and render. And if I make that visible again, you can see now these look different, right? This first one on the left is correct. That's what we're looking for. That's what we want. But these others are doing some strange stuff. This middle one, we've got a flat plane and it just abruptly goes straight up into a little knob. And then this one to the far right is the most confusing of all, because it's looking as though it's working correctly, but then it's just this harsh transition. So what can we do to fix that? Well, let's get into edit mode, and again, you know, it's looking the same. And so the first thing I'll do is check, you know, hit 1 to go into point mode, check to see if there are some vertexes or vertices that are not connected. So if I were to grab one of these and pull it around, you can see, yep, that is the problem with this one. Those vertices just need to be connected, merged together. So if I hit Option Z to go in transparent mode, I'll just select all of these vertices, hit M, go to by distance, and you can see it's removed 4 vertices, which are, you know, which makes sense because that's the area that I saw the issue. And then I hit Option Z again, and now the problem is fixed and it looks like the one on the far left, right? So, all right, check. Vertices are merged. Well, now initially when I ran into this problem, I assumed that that was the same thing. So let's just try that. Let's go hit Option Z, select all of these, hit M by distance, 0 vertices removed, and it looks the same. So what in the world could be going on here? And I was going crazy. I went into 2, you know, hit number 2 to go into edge mode, you know, selected all of these edges, right clicked, you know, there's a mark sharp. I said clear sharp because maybe that's what's going on. No, not what's going on. And I stumbled into the answer. So in Cinema 4D, for example, there is an indicator to the mesh that tells you, you know, which direction the normals are going. So that's what this is, a normal issue. So if we click into one of these drop downs up here and click on face orientation, you can see we have red and blue faces. The red faces are outside normals. You know, the directions of the faces are going this way, and the blue are inside normals, so they're pointing the other way. So that, my friends, is what's causing the issue. So being in this mode helps you to see that. That helps a lot. So what we'll do is we'll just select, go hit 3, get into face mode, select all of these faces that represent the blue, and then what I'll do is you can hit function on the Mac and then F3 and go to recalculate outside normals. You can also do that by what is the Option N? Yeah, and then that'll bring up your normals keypad there. You want to flip them, which is what we would have wanted to do, right? So if we go back into our object mode, we can see that those are all the same. Our mesh topology issues have been solved. I hope that helped.